In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove suggestions from the YouTube search bar. We're going to look at how to clear those past search suggestions that pop up when you start typing, and what you can and can't control when it comes to YouTube's live trending suggestions. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own device. First, open your browser and go to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to clear your search suggestions, because suggestions are tied to your account and your activity. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the YouTube logo at the top left, your profile icon at the top right, and in the middle along the top, you'll find the search bar. This is what we'll be working with. Next, click directly into the search bar. As soon as you click, YouTube will usually show a drop-down list of suggestions based on what you've searched for in the past. These are your personal search history suggestions. You might see things you searched for recently, old searches you don't need anymore, or terms you don't want popping up again. To remove specific past search suggestions, look closely at each item in that drop-down list. On the right side of every suggestion, you should see a small X icon. Move your mouse over to the suggestion you want to clear and click that X. As soon as you click it, that particular search term will disappear from the list. Repeat this for any other suggestions you'd like to remove. Take your time and scroll through the list if it's long, and just keep clicking the X next to each suggestion you no longer want YouTube to remember. This process removes those entries from your visible suggestions, so they won't keep popping up every time you start typing something similar. It's a quick way to tidy up your search bar and keep it from showing things that are outdated, irrelevant, or that you simply don't want to see again. Now, there's one important limitation to understand. Some of the suggestions you see are not based on your personal history, but on what's trending on YouTube overall. These are called live or trending search suggestions. They're generated by YouTube to show popular or common searches in real time. Unlike your own past searches, there's no way to selectively remove or turn off these trending suggestions from within YouTube. They aren't personalized to you, so YouTube doesn't give you a control to delete them. So to recap, you can remove your own past search suggestions by clicking the X next to each one in the drop-down list. But live, trending suggestions will still appear because they are a part of YouTube's global search experience.